Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to find out which WordPress theme a website is using. There are a few different methods you can use, and I'll walk you through each one so you can pick the one that works best for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly identify WordPress themes for any site you're curious about. Also, if you're looking for a great theme for your own WordPress site, check out the link in the description to try elegant themes at a great price. Now, let's get started. One of the easiest ways to find out what theme a WordPress site is using is by using WP Beginner's WordPress Theme Detector. Once you're on the Tools page, simply type in the website URL you want to analyze. The detector will quickly check if the website is built with WordPress and, if so, reveal which theme it's using. For example, if a site is using a popular theme like Divi, it will display that information along with other useful details. Sometimes, a website may use a custom theme, in which case the tool will still confirm whether or not the site is running on WordPress. It's a simple, straightforward way to check, especially if you want quick results. Another great tool for this task is the website Is It WP? It works similarly to WP Beginner's tool. You enter the website URL and it will analyze the site to check if it's powered by WordPress and identify the theme in use. Is It WP also provides additional information, such as plugins the site may be using, which can give you ideas for your own projects. For example, it might tell you the site is running a custom theme and include details about its version or other components. If you prefer a manual approach, there's a way to inspect a website's source code to identify its WordPress theme. First, right-click anywhere on the web page and select View Page Source. This will open the HTML code of the site. From here, use the search function by pressing Ctrl F and type in Style CSS or Style Sheet. When you locate the Style Sheet file, click on its link. At the top of the style sheet, you'll often find information about the theme, such as its name, URL, and description. While this method takes a bit more effort, it's a reliable way to uncover the theme details if other tools don't work. These are some of the most effective methods to identify WordPress themes. If you're just starting to build your own WordPress site and are in need of a reliable and flexible theme, I highly recommend checking out Elegant Themes. You'll find the link in the description below to try Elegant Themes at a great price.